what I've did for this country. You fucking know what I did for this country. Like he's in Turkey and for a country. You help people about betray. You help people about betray. Everyone around me, all the motherfuckers, all the but nobody about to sting, but betray. But I'm still here. I'm still standing. I'm still strong. Lesanyela, lesatonyela, lesanyela. Kim two seats, nice, nice. Give me something. So Kim two seats, that man. I said Nagirling Rasa to run a business. It's not me. I said Nagirling Rasa he can't keep relationships. Another relationship. You can't keep a relationship. If you don't have a relationship, there's no network, no net worth. I wanna see lo, I'll take any see lo. Long about blind way wrong. And then when the idea's out there, someone is gonna take it and is gonna do it better than you. Sakwata. If Nagira beat you no mutuan kopisa, o sakwata. That's how the universe works. I should do TRP mola bam kapile. Asakwata horiena. We said he sent the idea out there to everyone. So hebam kapa. Asakwata. That's how it is. That's how I learned the game. Kitene ka ukapa babang lena no bang kapa. Akikwati. I just give all strength. Oh, go to the wave. Little about man. Linali jealous. Some of them are jealous. I don't go one motor go di mukwa. No go one motor all in between. Every time I go fella le ba threatened. Jealousy. Onka jealous ta motor utusang. Akizi la na gid kalo hanyor le hola biang.
Sanbonan, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Nyabonga cool for coming. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi subscribe, like video, you share. Thank you so much you guys for your love and support. So kule video sizokhuluma ke ngedrama lapha phakathi kuka DJ Maphorisa no something Soweto. uDJ Maphorisa ngathi kukhona afuna ukudla yedwa as usual bahleli bembiza ngokuthi uyi gatekeeper. Disclaimer you guys, mina when it comes to music ke I do not know. Angazi ukuthi basebenzisana kanjani, uma besebenze bonke eculweni basherana kanjani into ekanjalo. Mina ngiyangeza indaba ezitrendayo. So udaba ke manje olutrendayo uDJ Maphorisa no something Soweto bathi yena uthi why something Soweto agreed afuna yonke into angafuna ukushare, but manje umphakathi wona uthi uMaphorisa wrong because yena ke ama-artists amaningi vele anenkinga naye because he's always greedy and do not want to share. Bambiza nge-gatekeeper but when it comes to music industry he's a gatekeeper, he does not want to share. Once nje warekhode endlini yakhe yazi ukuthi yonke into seyingeyakhe usuzozwa ngaye ke wena ukuthi zikhiphani into ekanjalo. So this is what I've heard ngo-DJ Maphorisa ever since ngaqala ke ublogger. Kuthiwa ke akasebenzi kahle namanye ama-artists akafuna ukushare, but in this case uzwakala yena nguye something Soweto ufuna uku-owner everything into ekanjalo umosha career yakhe this and that. Okay, now but uDJ Maphorisa speaks up on the story by Qamadela uthi why are you greedy usho ku something Soweto. Now the music producer yakhe uDJ Maphorisa igama lakhe langempela uThemba Sikoweke received a lot of backlash after being blamed for something Soweto not being credited kuleli culo lithi amalanga wafani by Mass Music, Lord Wheezy, T.O. Star Quality and nayo DJ Maphorisa. The song was released under Piano Hub upset small and by recorded a studio saka DJ Maphorisa, as people always say ukuthi yonke into enzele studio sakhe yazi ukuthi singe yakhe. Never mind the song is yours, you are the singer, you are the musician, uyacula yonke into ozoyenzela kaMaphorisa yazi ukuthi awuyikhulumeli uzozwa ngaye. This is what I've heard allegedly. So now when the song was released, something Soweto shared the network with an emoji of a broken heart, leaving his social media followers and his fans angered as his voice is prominent ke kulelo culo. He made the song ushama fans, but he made the song ngoba ivoice yakhe ilaphiyana yazwakala nje futhi ibushelezi imnandi. He is the song. This is typical of Maphorisa, another one added. Although something Soweto ke yena akaka respond to the questions on why he is not credited kulelo culo lelo, uDJ Maphorisa yena has come out guns blazing, venting about what led to the award-winning singer not being credited. Simbonile ke ku Instagram live, ubonile ngifaka iclip ekuqaleni ekhala laphiyana ekhuluma ngokuthi something Soweto akabongi, yena kuseyisebenzele le country, kuningi asekwenzele le country and all that you guys, and abantu abam appreciate. Uyabuza ukuthi why abantu bethi yena uyi-gatekeeper kahle kahle, you guys, because but abantu ama-artists amaningi vela nenkinga nawe wena, you are always controlling and you want to eat alone. But in this case ke yena uthi something Soweto uyena ke ongafuni ke ukushare, but abantu bayazi yena ke kunguyena ongafuni ukushare isikhathi nesiningi. So Maphorisa ke no something Soweto has been fighting for the song not to be released. So uthi yena, why would you want to sabotage this song? Maphorisa lo abuza something Soweto ngoba something Soweto you cannot release it, nami ngikhona I have to be credited, we worked together, I didn't work for you, into ekanjalo. So uti, why would you want to sabotage the song? You just sabotage yourself because you are greedy and you want to own all the masters of the songs. Kushuma Maphorisa ke something Soweto, he blamed something Soweto for not wanting the song to go well. His album Pity Pity was recorded in my house. That is Maphorisa. His album is Pity Pity was recorded in my house and I gave him a chance. Stop sabotaging us and making us look bad. When Mass Music gave you a chance when we could not handle your shit. But Mass Music wanted something Soweto a chance when everyone didn't want anything to do with something Soweto. That's DJ Maphorisa. We share this shit, but you want all the masters for yourself. This song was supposed to be great. Maphorisa, you guys, utena that the music business is business and something Soweto is not serious about his career. He added he needed to release the song because people were asking for it and it makes them happy when he plays it. Now I look like a bad person. He's playing with his luck. He is playing rough. We are in business here. We want to change lives and make money. The problem is when you make that money and then when you want money to yourself and you are not sharing properly with other people, something like that, you guys. So everyone is copying him. Use Trill, not Daliwonga, they are copying him. He is playing with his career and not taking it seriously. Why did he leave le group ukuthiwa the soul? Kusho kuMaphorisa. Which means we blame something Soweto for being a bad person. Uti why waphuma kule group ukuthiwa the soul? Which means usho ukuthi ngoba umuntu omubi, he is a fucked up talent. It only won't help. That is DJ Maphorisa, you guys. So I saw a lot of people lapana ka Twitter bengasibhayi story sakhe, you guys, bethi you better credit him, otherwise you guys abalandeli baka something Soweto but bona you will credit him. So kuningi laphana, if I can go back, but this song has something Soweto and his vocals in it and he is not credited for it. The industry keep on disrespecting or something Soweto. The man carried this song and without his vocal this song is dead. That was something. DJ Maphorisa should have an answer to this. Ukuthi bathi ama-fans why something Soweto engekho credited and they won't allow DJ Maphorisa to treat something Soweto ngaleyo ndlela ke, you guys. So igama lakhe langempela bathi uSamkelo Lelethu Mdolomba ke he's living a legend. He's a living legend, something like that. That is someone who DJ Maphorisa, he's highly emotional on his Instagram live because nobody appreciates the efforts he has put into the South African music industry. Akiribara, he's a gatekeeper, that's why. Angas, you guys. So Munyawati DJ Maphorisa is about to learn today that something Soweto ain't those regular artists he's used to stealing from and get a pass. This man is one of the pioneers of piano. We honestly cannot let this one slide because the disrespect is uncalled for. Abantu bathi DJ Maphorisa disrespect or something Soweto. So ngingakakwatile ngoba uThewethu yalibe kunyawo something Soweto wathi not me buddy. So kuthiwa that's why akwatile uze wakhala lapha ka Instagram live. Uthi yena, I'm not a gatekeeper. I've been saving this game. How can I be a gatekeeper when I've opened doors for people like Abo McGean, Abo Sol Penduka? What is gatekeeping? I put Kapsa on and today he's a multi-millionaire. That is DJ Maphorisa. I saved Nigeria's music scene. Today you know Melo and Sleazy because of me. You know about Tyler because of me. That is DJ Maphorisa when people are calling him a gatekeeper. So laphana khona bebuzile uthiwa nguvimbayi wathi yena, when do we get amalanga awafani on Apple Music? I love it. And then something Soweto kukhona lapha take khona, people need to learn how to share masters. We don't work for each other, but we work with each other. So Maphorisa utela panao, then we on Spiti together, practice what you preach. This was between UTG Maphorisa and something Soweto, okay? Wabuya watike lapha UTG Maphorisa, this guy is confusing me, Shem, I give up. Try to understand me how he recorded the whole album in my house. Now footing and react, you guys. And then we gave him the master 100%. He still wants to own master percentage on our songs. Who's a party here? I'm not sure if you guys understand what is the issue here. Let us pray for him. I think he's a serious problem. That's when fans then came. Bangavumelana naye, but no, kahle wena artists must stop recording in Police house to avoid all these issues, because once you enter Police's house, everything is his. Ngabalandela phana bethi nikezwe something Soweto what belongs to him, ngoba wena siyakwazi vele ukuthi once kwangenwe endlini yakho everything singeyakho. So once you record a studio sakhe, you guys bathi you awusena kuthi uzothini uzozwa ngaye, something like that. And then omunye said, listen here Maphorisa, the issue here is amalanga awafani, not uSpiti that he mentioned. You can go discuss that with something Soweto. Now we are telling you to credit him for being on the song. We are not asking you, and we are telling you, or else those are the fans like something Soweto, but you better credit him or else. So kuningela phana you guys drama beloki, this happened yesterday. So yeah, man, abanye bethi he's a living legend, abanye bethi no, he's a gatekeeper and he's boring, because every time yena ama-artist amaningi anenkinga naye. Why? Something Soweto is because uthe no, not me. That's why he's so mad. He even cried lapha ka Instagram live, you guys, ati I've done a lot for this country, I've done a lot for this industry. Kuhungata ka DJ Maphorisa, you guys, angazi ukuthi orongo muphi, angithatha side because I do not know ukuthi basebenza kanjani when it comes to music industry. Your thoughts on the comment section, mhlambe wena ke uyazi something Soweto and not DJ Maphorisa about that particular song. Kuthiwa something Soweto wasn't credited, and ama-fans at why yilokhu ukuthi DJ Maphorisa yena njalo ufuna ukudla yedwa, angazi ke bese uyashuvola ka comment section. Ulike, usubscribe, ushare, and then so besibonana futhi kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.